Have you seen the trend of the reverse cat eye? Well, I wanted to give it a shot today, so I am going to follow Painted by Spencer's tutorial and see how it turns out. So, if you'd like to see, then just continue watching. And for those of you that don't know me, my name is Samantha, and I'm just a mom who likes to play with makeup. If you enjoy this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe. Also hit that notification button, the little bell right down there, so that you can be notified of my future videos. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright, I went ahead and pinned my hair back, and he used a taupish color. I'm actually going to use this Hoola Bronzer. It's a mini, and I'm going to do exactly as he said. I'm just going to place it on the eyelid, and he said you don't have to be perfect about it, so here goes nothing. Alright, that seems very similar. This is probably one of my favorite just eyeshadows, even though it's not an eyeshadow, but it's a great bronzer, great eyeshadow, highly recommend it. So he also put it on the lower lash line, so let's do that as well. I really hope that this turns out. If you've tried the reverse cat eye, let me know how it turned out for you. Alright, I'm going to use Thrive Cosmetic, and I believe it's, yeah, Lauren. And I'm going to do the same thing. Alright, I'm going to use a different mirror. So, I'm going to pull this closer. That waterline is tricky for me. I forgot to go all the way in. I really hope this turns out for me. He's making it look so easy. Here it is. So I'm going to blend out a little bit more with the Hoola. And then I'll go in with the black eyeliner, like he did. Alright, so I have a single black hair from Seint Official. And I'm just going to smoke that out a little bit more. Alright, I'm going to do my upper waterline. Again, I'll be right back though, so that you don't have to see me suffer through this. And of course it wasn't filming. So he put on glitter, and I'm going to use a glitter as well, obviously. But what I used is this Amazon palette, and I used this gorgeous silver glitter. Here's a swatch of it right there. And it is way more glittery than what he used, but he said he loves glitter. So I'm sorry if I'm doing you wrong. But it's glittery and it's pretty. So that is on. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. And of course there's glitter fallout. And try and see if I can clean up the glitter fallout. Okay, so they're as even as they're going to get for me. I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom lash line, or my bottom lashes, and I'm going to use the Thrive Cosmetics lashes, or mascara, just because it doesn't smudge on me. It's a great bottom lash mascara. On the top, I'm going to do my favorite combo, which is the Bambi eye and the Essence. I also like the Sky High and the Essence. So those are my two favorite combos. Either way, it has Essence in it. So I'm going to do one coat of Bambi eye, then the Essence, and then the Bambi eye. And I'll be right back. So here's the completed look. I really like the way that it came out. I mean, there's a couple spots that if I could, I would fix, like this inner corner, and they're a little uneven, but still, for my first attempt, I am very pleased, and that was very easy to follow along. I don't even have the same items as he did, the same products, but like I said, I was able to use my own stash. I'm sure you have a taupe color. Just grab whatever taupe color you have, your own gel black liner, whatever you have, mascara, and a glitter. Well, a glitter topper. You could easily recreate this look at home, or at least, you know, practice until you get it. That's what I intend to do because I really like this look. It was a lot easier than doing a wing liner, in my opinion. All the items that I used today will be down in the description bar, so that if you want to use the same products as I did to follow along Painted by Spencer, you can do the same thing, or you can just grab whatever you have at home. That's basically what I did. Thank you for joining and watching today, and I hope you have a lovely week wherever you are, and I'll see you next time. Bye.